I ain't gonna lie, but I thought I wanted some shit with power, but this shit was scared the shit out of me, bro. Crazy from the inside, man. I'm guessing that's what the mufflers. Okay.
So they sync the noise
on the inside.
Yeah, go down to the muffler. But the moment I step on it.
Damn. Oh fuck no, boy. Hell nah, boy. Hell nah, boy. Fuck no. Fuck. Fuck no.
It's good for all the miles I got on this bitch now, but it's been faster now, man.
It was 500 some horses feel like, bro.
It's 500 feel like.
Damn. I don't know if it feels different because of being like in the passenger seat.
That bitch definitely do. I tell you that. When I got on my dog shit, that bitch had me scared. Cause like, well, what the fuck? This is fast, boy. But once you in the driver's seat, you know, like you're not that scared.
Yeah.
It's a different feeling when you in that driver's seat compared to that passenger seat.
Damn.
Totally different feeling. I'm telling you. That shit been going on since the bit came out here. Not the seat, bitch. People like, when people be hearing my exhaust, they be like, "We'll car so loud, I bet you can't even creep." You know, they get in here and I show them, they're like, "Damn, bro, I didn't even know that." I'm like, "Yeah, I told him."
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
And that's the thing, bro. It's like,
that's one thing about Corsa, bro. I like how they designed their exhaust, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, man. That night when you shot past my ass, and that been that Volkswagen tried to race by out here in the work one day.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga.
Yeah, I think his shit stopped though. But there ain't no way I'm supposed to fucking keep up with his guy. And all that night we drove past a bit, dog.
Yeah.
Like I heard your shit. I heard you when you were coming. When you shot past a bit, dog. Like that bit was too loud.
I did a second, a third gear pull. That bitch there.
So you be having issues like gripping?
Good new clutch. Stage 2. No cloud. No problem. That bitch grip. That's why you jerk so much over there. Like you do this. Cause I been biting so much. Brand new clutch. Grip.
Damn. Even with you up like at the speed limit that you at, bro. Like that bitch still taking off.
I'm telling you. Like I still, crazy part is that's not 4 o'clock. I'm gonna show you the front throttle. That sounds like I thought so too. It sounds like somebody called.
this shit scared the shot of me, boy. This guy did absolutely shot me. Oh, she's still over there.
Got a Mustang, V8, and you want to exhaust, get you some Corsair screen, you won't regret it, bro. I'm telling you. Get you some headers. It don't matter what brand you go with. BBK, Lone Tool, Texas Speed, they don't make Corsair screen headers no more, so yeah, it don't matter what headers you get. Pet them up with some Corsair screen, you'll never forget, you'll never regret.
God damn, wow.
And that's a POV and a fucking 2015 Ford Mustang 6-speed.
I ain't gonna lie. This is a fucking. This is a video on as its own, dog. Like just that damn POV drive.
It's a motherfucker, bro. In POV, the adrenaline rush in this bitch, the feel. I don't know. And I get this bitch, I don't know. You'll understand if you got one. Like, it's just the feeling in it, bitch. Especially, it's not automatic either. So, like, you actually in tune with the car. So, it's a different feeling, bro, from automatic to where you just, all you gotta do is hit the gas. Nah, not in here. Different feeling,
I ain't gonna lie. Like, just with the time when I learned how to drive stick shift, bro, it damn sure fun.
Yeah, bro, you'll like it, bro. Trust me, bro. It's not hard. It's the only thing I'll say that's probably hard about it is starting, like, taking off, rolling first gear.
I ain't gonna lie, that took me a little minute. When bro was teaching me, it took me a little minute to get down.
Yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Other than that, if you can get the take off the roll, you'll be good. But as far as driving a stick, it's fine. I'm telling you, bro, that bitch fine. You'll love it, bro. Compared to an automatic, all you gotta do is throw that bitch and drive and go.
Is that good?
Not in this bitch. Not in this bitch, bro. So yeah, that's pretty much it. POV. 5-0, bro.
Shit, thank you, bro.
Yep.
Thank you, dog.
Anytime, bro. Anytime. Until next time, y'all guys. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, man.